A very good morning, students. Today in this video we will learn the poem Beauty written by E. Here Sure. Yes? So coming to the paragraph, the lines, first I want to explain you a short explanation about this poem. Yes? So in this poem, beauty has been defined. Okay? The poet says that beauty is there in everything. It is all around us. Today, tomorrow, the days to come, everywhere. Means everywhere there is a touch of beauty. All the small things we do or the environment around us, everything has beauty in it. And everything has its own importance. Yes, as we all know that each and everything, whether living, non-living, every small, from a small thing, from a small, there is an importance of it. Yes, so all things are beautiful in their own way. Okay, now coming to the first stanza. Beauty is seen in the sunlight, the trees, the birds, corn growing, and people working or dancing for their harvest. Okay, now see in this stanza, what poet is saying is that beauty always lies in the eyes of the beholder. Means it is in the attitude of a person, it is everywhere. It can be seen in sunlight. It means that wherever there is no darkness, you can see the beauty. Yes, it can be in the trees, the nature. Yes, the birds, the sound of the birds, the growing crops, and the people who all are dancing with joy. It means we can see the beauty. Yes, now beauty actually means that something that gives a pleasure to your senses. Okay, it can be anything, like it can be a person, it can be a scenery. Yes, it can be the sunlight, it can be the rainbow which gives pleasure to your eyes, it can be the rainfall. Yes, it gives pleasure to your ears. Understood? So in this way, in the first stanza, beauty is seen in the eyes of the beholder. Yes, means the person who is seeing the things, he himself has to decide whether it is beautiful or not. Understood? Yes. Now coming to the second para. Beauty is heard in the night, wind sighing, rain falling, or a singer chanting, anything in earnest. Now beauty is a thing that can be felt also. Yes, it's not necessary that always beauty is seen. It can be felt. Understood? It can be heard. Means one can listen it, like one can hear its sounds, like we say it's a beautiful song. So it means that that song is giving pleasure to your ears, pleasure to your senses. Understood? Yes, like the sound of rainfall. Okay, the night falls when the wind blows and creates a sound. Okay, you might have heard the sound of the wind during the night. Yes, so the same sound, it gives a pleasure to our ears. Yes, when rain falls and when singer sings, as this singing gives a pleasure to our senses. Understood? Now coming to the third para. Beauty is in yourself. Good deeds, happy thoughts that repeat themselves in your dreams, in your work, and even in your rest. Now in the third para, the poet is trying to explain that beauty is not always outside. It's inside, it's within us. Okay, beauty is not always external or visible, it is within. Yes, one's views, good acts, noble and good actions and good ideas that makes a person beautiful. Understood? Means you can find beauty within you. How it can be? By thinking good thoughts, like if you have seen any dream, a beautiful dream. Yes, so it's an imagination. So in that manner, in that case, what happened? That beauty exists within you. And one's wishes, which one even imagines in the dreams, that is also a beauty. Beauty can be one way of work also, like some people, they do their work so nicely, so beautifully, we say. How we can say beautifully? Means the work that they do, it looks very beautiful. It is not very decorative or something, but the work itself is in a good or a perfect manner. Understood? So we can say that it is beautiful. Even the style of taking rest means if a person is taking rest or if a person is talking something, there also beauty lies. Understood? That thus beauty is very vast, means it has no boundaries. It is in everything. Understood? Whether it is a living or a non-living, whether material or an abstract thing, we just need to feel that beauty. Means we don't have to go to a different place to see the beauty. No, this beauty is all around us. Understood? And we just need eyes, we just need a good heart to see all this beauty. So students, see, there is no need to search beauty here and there. Okay, means the poet says in the last para that beauty is in yourself. Okay, so beauty is in yourself. You don't have to search here and there. All the good things that you do, your good behavior, all the manners, everything have beauty. Yes, so that beauty is seen by other people and they say that yes, he is a very good person or he is a very beautiful person. It's not only about the appearance. Appearance doesn't matter. It's only your attitude towards the things and your behavior which makes you a beautiful person. Understood? So this was all about in the poem Beauty. I hope you all have understood it. Yes? Thank you.